Hey there, fellow YouTubers. This is Pittsburgh Pat, and I'm going to show you today how to add a video to a playlist. So in the last video, I showed you how to make a playlist. So now you go to playlists. Well, here, you go to content over here. And once you go to content, you click on playlists. And then you have your playlist. So this one we made, but we don't have anything in it. So how do we add something to the playlist? Well, we click on the playlist, and then at the bottom, wait a minute, options, here. So there's details, and then we go to videos. Click on videos. There's no videos here. So then we go down here. It says add videos. And now you can upload a video directly from here, or you can choose from existing videos. We have one we already uploaded called Pittsburgh Restaurant Review, Thai Tamarind Bellevue, Tara and Patrick Eat. So I'm going to click on that and then hit done, and then it's going to add that to the playlist. And now if you don't like that, you can actually go here and say remove from this playlist, and it'll remove it. So one more time, you go over here to videos, click that. It says add videos, you click choose existing videos, and you click here and done, and it's there. All right, hope you guys have a great day out there. If you want to see something else, let me know what you need, and I will do another video featuring that, because that's how I learn. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Let me know you're out there by saying hello, and tell me about your journey on YouTube, and I'll talk to you soon. And I'll interview you maybe on camera if you want to talk about YouTube on camera. We do that sometimes as well on the podcast. Okay, have a great day. Take care.